guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to start with a quick grocery haul. We woke up super early this morning to beat all the crowds, and we had literally nothing in our fridge, so we had to buy quite a bit. So I'm going to start with a quick grocery haul. All right, Kevin and I have been really liking these airborne vitamin C gummies. So we bought those. I bought some honey mustard and this Newman's tomato and basil sauce. I like using this for the lasagna. This is the only creamer that we ever buy. It's the Silk Almond Creamer in the flavor sweet and creamy. We bought some blueberries, some cornbread, some frozen berries, some strawberries, let's see, some sliced almonds, these taco shells, and we also picked up some spaghetti. Let's see, let's move over here. Kevin really likes adding these to his omelets in the morning, so we got some of those. This entire tub of ginger and turmeric. Let's see, some organic broccoli sprouts. This is the only bread that we eat as of late. It's just the San Luis sourdough. We also bought some red seedless grapes. Let's see, some romaine hearts, some baby kale and spinach. Let's see, these plant-based breakfast links, some vegan butter. These are my favorite. These are the flax chocolate brownies. I buy these at Sprouts. These are so good. Let's see, some eggs, some avocados, some Granny Smith apples, some arugula, more baby spinach and kale, lemon, lime, celery. Let's see, some Honeycrisp apples, some oranges. What is this? Kale, bananas, broccolini, cucumber, and some vegan cheese. And yeah, so we bought quite a bit. All right, guys, camera died. Whoa. There we go. All right, guys, so camera died. I just had some breakfast, and we are going to actually paint today. We're gonna paint part of our room, and for now, that's all that we have planned. So we're gonna get everything ready and then start painting. All right, guys, this is the patch of paint that has been here for way too long. We were supposed to paint this room a long time ago, and we just got super busy, and I wanted to just see what it would look like, and we didn't even know what kind of white we wanted, but we just painted this, and I should have just made it like a little sample square, but I ended up making it huge. So we've had this for so long, and I am tired of just staring at this. So we are going to finally paint this wall. So we need to take down the mirror and just tape around and finally get this wall painted. wall turned into painting the entire room. It looks so different. We still need to do the ceiling, and this wall is going to end up being shiplap, so we're not going to paint that. But we painted all 3 walls, and then hopefully tomorrow or sometime soon we can do the ceiling. Well, since we ended up taking everything out, now we have everything out here. What a mess. All right, guys, sun is now setting. It is like 5 o'clock, I think. I look like a total disaster, but we've just been painting all day, and I got like something in my eye earlier, and it was a mess. But anyway, we ended up, like I said, painting more than we thought we were going to paint, but it's okay. I love it. It looks so good. I am just going to clean up, kind of move things around, because like we brought everything to the living room and now everything's like all over the place. So we're just gonna clean up a little bit, put all of our painting stuff away, and I will see you tomorrow. All right, guys, so we woke up this morning and wanted to finish painting. I have like fuzz, there it is. I had like fuzz in my mouth. So we woke up this morning and we decided to finish painting. There's like another piece of fuzz. Sorry. The room is now painted. We still haven't figured out what we want to do as far as like accent walls and stuff, but this was only supposed to be like paint one wall kind of project, and we ended up painting the entire room. So we are going to just let everything dry and then just put everything back in. I have the mirror in here, and just like our other stuff is in the living room still. So we're gonna let it dry for today and then put everything back in. And then, yeah, I've been wanting to paint that room white for ever. So ever since we moved in, I wanted to paint that room white, and it just really opened up the entire room. I'm really excited to decorate that room. And yeah, so it is currently lunchtime and we are hungry. We just had a quick bite in the morning, and yeah, now we're hungry. I was like, what is this? I have like paint everywhere. I have like paint in my hair, like all over my face. It's lunchtime and we need to eat, so we're going to make some lunch and then just kind of tidy up today. We had to take out the television, the blinds, everything. So it's a little bit chaotic, but all right, 1 second. Okay, we're gonna use this, focus. There we go. We're gonna use this beef chorizo and then just cut everything up and put it all together. By the way, this is my favorite vegetarian refried beans. I buy it at Walmart and it's so good. All right, guys, here's how it's looking. I used these yellow corn taco shells from Sprouts. And I cut up some tomato and some romaine lettuce, and I'm just gonna add some of this Miyoko's vegan cheese. Let's put this together. All right, we're gonna have lunch and then I'll catch up with you after. All All right, we're having some dessert, vegan vanilla bean ice cream with some fudge and walnuts, and then Kevin added some of the flaxseed brownie to his. And I kind of wish I would have done the same. It looks so good. All right, guys, lunch was delicious. We are now putting everything back into the room. I need to first put this on the tripod. There we go. I am going to clean the chandelier. While we were painting, I noticed that it was super dusty, so I'm gonna take everything off and clean it. And Kevin is just like putting up the hat hooks and all of that stuff. So yeah, I need to go clean my chandelier. Alright, just finished taking all of the pieces off of the chandelier and just dusted everything, and now everything is nice and clean. Looks so good. Kevin put up the hat hooks, and now everything is back up. I love the way that looks there. I can't wait to like fill up the entire wall. And Kevin just put up the mirror, so now it is looking nice and bright in here. I cannot wait to get that wall done, but for now everything is looking so nice. Hey guys, I didn't get to film an outro the other day, but I wanted to quickly end this video here. We finally have painted the room and it looks so good. I'm just here to quickly end the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.